Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Super Swing Trader. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to analyze the overall US stock market. In this video we're going to analyze the S&P 500 stock, which is the most common most common market indicator that you'll hear on CNBC. Now, the U.S. stock market comprises a lot of indexes, but the top four are S&P 500, the top 500 companies in the United States, the Nasdaq, Dow, and the Russell. Russell are the small 2000 businesses. Nasdaq is the top software type companies, and the Dow is the top 30 industrial companies. All right. Now, last week we said that there was a strong level of zone right here, and if price wants to get down here, there's a very good opportunity. Up here is showing weakness, but we don't know. This is the current March candle. We don't know if it's going to close right here or if it's going to close lower, but we're expecting price is forming these bearish candles, so we're expecting price to do a retracement down here. So expect price to drop down here. All right. Now, last week close, we said that this was a level of demand. We said that this was a level of demand, but this candle is very wide. So last week it touched here. We'll see what happens this coming week on Monday when markets open again, if it's going to bounce or if it's going to reverse. I'm thinking, and just remember, this is just my opinion. This is just my opinion. You have to make your own decisions and do your own research. I'm thinking price is going to go up, but don't make a new high and then come down to this level. This is the level that we said was the higher time frame level. So we will see what happens if price is going to drop and break this, or if it's going to come down. Now, like I said earlier, price looks like it's not wanting to close above these highs on the wicks that I showed you. So it's going to probably bounce a little bit and come back down here. Come back down to this zone down here. Now on the daily, we have this zone, like I said, on the weekly. This is it bounced a little bit on here, but we'll see what happens. This was a good zone, and I imagine price bounced, and it did. But I don't think it's going to get to these. It's not going to break these all-time highs. It's going to just bounce a little bit, and we'll see bigger penetration into this zone and finally break this zone and come down here. This is where I will be looking to buy and sell. Just remember, I'm not your financial advisor or professional trader, so you have to make your own decisions. But this is where I will be looking to go long, or at least go long indirectly on other US stocks instead of just the S&P 500 index ETF. Alright, so I hope that you got some value from this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and click on that bell so you get notified of new videos I release in the future. As always, I want you to transform your charts into profits and build the life you love. I'll see you in the next one.